Did you know that these days algorithms are generating new algorithms? I know it sounds complicated, but hear me out. You're going to understand this. Algorithms are a step by step solution. Each step has a clear instruction. When you follow the steps, you get the answer. It's kind of like following the recipe when baking your grandma's famous cookies. Instead of programming the machine or the computer every step of the way, algorithms give the computer instructions that allow it to learn from data without setting a new step by step instruction set by the programmer. You know the programmer, the guy behind the machine. This means that computers can be used for new complicated tasks that cannot always be manually programmed. Things like photo recognition applications for the visually impaired or translating pictures into speech. The basic process of machine learning is to give training data to learning algorithm. Again, sounds complicated, but let's break it down. We're at a time now when humans are training machines. We are programming robots to make better decisions than humans can. This is bringing us closer to the idea of perfection, which is minimizing mistakes made by human error. When computers are learning algorithm, it generates a new set of rules. These rules are based on factors like past performance and trends from the data that's been collected over a period of time. This is machine learning. I told you, pretty simple, right? The ability for a computer to generate a new algorithm based on performance of the current patterns and decisions witnessed or gathered by the machine. By using different training data, the same learning algorithm could be used to generate different models. For example, the same type of learning algorithm could be used to teach the computer how to translate languages, predict the market, or it can help you find out the most optimal time to post new content after analyzing your website. The ability to receive new instructions from data is the core strength of machine learning. It also highlights the critical role of data. The more data that's available to train the algorithm, the more it learns. In fact, many recent advances in artificial intelligence have not been due to the radical innovations of learning new algorithms, but it's more due to the enormous amount of data that's been collected and enabled by the internet. I hope this helps you understand how machines learn, and I will see you in episode 6.